What is freedom? What happens to humans in the absence of freedom? What happens to humans in the presence of freedom? Why do humans need freedom? Freedom from whom? Freedom from what? Freedom for what? Freedom to what? Freedom of what? Freedom for whom? What makes a human slave, isolated, vulnerable, and powerless? What makes a human free and powerful, respectful and responsible? Why do humans have deeper hunger for freedom? Why do humans fight for freedom? Do humans need independence or freedom or both? Which one is most important for humans? Can a human live independently without depending on any other humans? Can humans live freely? When will humans become what they are capable of becoming? Are humans capable of changing their negative and neutral attitudes? Are humans capable of acquiring the positive attitudes and attributes? What are the exact things that secure humans' freedom and dignity? What will set humans free? What should humans do to obtain freedom, harmony, and happiness?